Yo, what's up? This is Paolo.
Yo,
and,
what's up? This is
This is
fun.
my daughter, Story. We're going to make a steak.
It's safe.
Basically a steak. Just a simple steak that I, you know. So, first of all, steak. Okay, here are the ingredients, okay?
Okay.
It was this one, and we got this one from HEB. You see that? HEB.
Look at that.
Number one. And then,
What
it's actually a Texas-style boneless pork ribs. And it's great for the grill. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna do it here in the air fryer. Okay? Hey guys, ha? You say hi! You say hi! Hi! You say hi! Say hi! Hi! Okay. Garlic powder.
1, 2,
Onion powder.
3,
You have here the pink salt. This one I prefer.
4.
The best. And then we also have here the black pepper.
5.
We have missing one. It's the turmeric. I don't have it, but next time I'll be getting one of those. Okay. And of course the air fryer here. You say sorry guys.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah. So
Sorry, guys.
gagawin
Yeah.
natin patutuyuin. Let's dry these steaks. Okay.
Let's try this. Okay.
So just dampen it. And
Done.
yeah, you call it dampen.
Wow.
Yeah, just make sure it's dry, guys, huh? Like dry. Barbecue style steak. See that? Pure meat. By the way, guys, tingnan nyo itong ano ko. Sharon! I'm so proud of it. Mabalik tayo.
It's so funny.
Sige na, magbablog na tayo. Let's do the vlogging here. So, ayun. Hindi nakikita eh. Dapat nakikita. Yan. So, dampen the oil. Mag-oil tayo. Yan. Actually, dapat ano to eh. Olive oil. Pero, we only have here vegetable oil. Just for starters. So, just put it here. Like that. Sorry guys, I only have gloves. But that will do. Malaksaan mo! Bulin ko kayo eh. What's... Naku, tinadaan-daan mo ako sa ganyan. Ano na, natatapon na. Okay. So, yun. Sorry. Kasi imimix natin siya eh. Kalat ka na, anak! Konting paprika. Garlic powder. Atsayin nyo lang. Onion powder. Also the salt one. This one. There you go. And pepper. Pepper. Let's spread it here at the steak, okay?
Okay.
There in air fryer. One moment. These are the steaks that natimpla na. So ayun. Let's just put it here like this. You see that? Here you go. Just level it, okay? There you go. So ito na tayo guys. Diba nandiyan na siya? You see it? Make sure make sure na nasa 400 siya. Oh, sorry. That's time. Yeah. Let me do it again. Sorry. Air crisp. 400. Oh, there you go. 400, and just for 5 minutes. That will do. After ng 5 minutes na yun, babalik tayo natin ulit. Okay? So, yun. Matatapos na. By the way, bakit ba tayo dito sa labas? Kasi baka sa loob. Okay? So, done na siya. You know. Steak. Okay. Balik na rin. Yan. So, another 5 minutes, ha? So, i-check na natin, ha, guys. You know, steak, oh. Charap nito. Right. So, let's chop it, guys. Thank you. Eat na.